Nā ahakua tana panatanga atu I te hōtaka morehu I ngā pō kei te mihia a Keisia whakarau mō tōna kaha, mō tōna tuatahi ki te hāpai I te reo Māori I roto I taua hōtaka e mātakitaki hia nei e te tini e te mano. A nei rā te pūrongo a Crystal Lee Brown.
Kua puta te whakatau a te iwi.
It's not an easy game, it's the hardest game in the world, and honestly, the best experience. I have no regrets. The challenges were insane. The people are just all completely diverse, they're all different, and I had the opportunity of a lifetime.
I tana whai wāhi ki te hōtaka o Survivor New Zealand I Thailand, I ngana a whakarau ki te whakaako I te kupu Māori kotahi I a rā ki ngā koi whakataetai.
Haere huri tau kia koe. I just taught people simple things like inu, kōwhai, like all the stuff that we would use around camp. I taught them what rice was, what tribe was, what it all meant, and how to like put the sentences together. Like while it was just one word a day, like people would ask questions, so well, how would you use it in a sentence?
Hei tā tēnei uri o Ngāti Raukawa me Ngāti Ruanui e taunga ana tana whānau ki te wairua whakataitai ao mai, pō mai. Te kaunga tamariki o ona matua, nā whai anō ka whai whakaoro nui ia ki tēnei momo whakataitai.
If you didn't eat dinner fast, someone else would eat it. And so it was constantly, it was a competition all the time at home. And so that definitely prepared me for Survivor. I love my family and they're so amazing, and definitely they were the reason why I wanted to represent that show with all my integrity, all my morals and values. I didn't want to go against that. I wanted to make them proud. And so they were my rock.
Ahakoa, ko ia te kai whakataitai tua wha mai I ngā kai whakataitai te kaumawaru katoa. I nāi nei ka hoki atu ia ki tāna tūranga mahi matua. Arā, hei kai mahi toko I te ora, Crystal Lee Brown, te karere.